Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Deborah Clark and I am coming to you from all the way from Hawaii, Honolulu, Hawaii to be exact. The island that I am on is Oahu. That is Oahu, and I am coming to you all about lemons. So let's get started. So I have here a bowl of fresh lemons, organic lemons. I have a clean bowl, and I have a 1 quart water. You can use any type of water that you like. I prefer spring water or drinking water, whatever type of water that you prefer. Now, if you're going to use organic lemons, you may want to go ahead and use some spring water or fresh drinking water, you know, or purified or distilled water, whichever you prefer. And I also have an old-fashioned grater. Don't laugh at me. Yes, I still have one of these. Sure do. So, and we're going to use this quart and put the lemons in here for our drink. Now, let's get started. So I have already pre-rinsed these off, so they have been rinsed. And then we'll go ahead and grate. You can grate 1 lemon or 2 if you prefer. It just depends on you. If you want to use 1 lemon or 2, it doesn't really matter. Now, when you're grating, you absolutely don't want to go all the way down. Just barely graze the skin of the lemon. It does get very, very bitter as you go grate. So you don't want to grate too much. See, that's a little bit there. So just go around. You can grate 1 or 2. It depends on how much of it you like to have. So we're going to go ahead, continue on grating. And this is the proper way to get the entire benefit from the lemon. Most people just use, they squeeze a lemon in water and they don't bother to use the zest, but the zest is very, very powerful. It has a lot of vitamins in it as well. And this is part 1 of my 3-part series. So we're going to be talking all about the lemons and how beneficial it is for any age, male or female, and it has tons and tons and tons of benefits that we will be going over. And I'd like to ask that you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and please feel free to comment. And also hit the thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Come on, why not? Why wouldn't you? All right, so this is 1. And you can do 2. I will just prefer to do 1. 1 will do the job. Now, if you decide that you want more lemon zest, you can feel free to do more than one lemon. Grate more than 1 lemon. So I will go ahead. Now, after you've done that, you want to roll the lemon. You want to go ahead and roll. Because the more you roll, yes, see how nice and soft that is? And another thing I'd like to talk to you about is when you buy organic, even though we pay a little bit more for it in some cases, not all, but some, depending on where you shop, you will cheat and rob yourself of the real natural flavor of a real lemon today. I don't know what the differences is from 20, 30 years ago and today, but organic fruits and vegetables tend to have the more pronounced flavor. So with the lemons, I've noticed, I've used both. So I've used the organic and the non-organic, and it just seems that I have more of a flavor, a full flavor that is unlike the other non-organic. So now we'll cut the ends off and we'll take our bowl here. Now, if you'd like to have the seeds, you can certainly keep the seeds in. They don't hurt you. You just maybe don't want to swallow them, but they are also beneficial too. And you just squeeze the juice in here. Yep. See how juicy that is after you roll it? You can also take use a lemon squeezer as well. Okay, so we'll roll the next one. See how much juice that is? That's a lot of juice. You don't have to have the seeds, but like I said, it doesn't really matter. It's okay if it doesn't bother you. Now, of course, if you're going to give it to small children, of course, you do not want the seeds in there. But I think as adults, we're pretty responsible to not swallow the seeds. So, if not, you can always drain. You can always drain the seeds. So, again, we roll and we squeeze, and look how much juice that we get out of this. Lots of juice. Now, after you've done that, you go ahead and you can cut these up. Just cut them up. It doesn't matter whatever size you prefer. And then you want to go ahead and put them in your jar. Can you see that? Your mason jar. And then you can just put it in the refrigerator and drink off of it. Or you can pour it in a different glass, and just have a little bit of it. It just depends on you how you would like to drink it. Then you go ahead and pour this in. This is delicious. I'll just get the rest of that out. Let me wash my hands off here. So yes, please subscribe to my channel. I'm brand new out here in these streets. YouTube video streets, I guess you could say. I don't know. So, voila. Here you have it. You can put as much. And you know what? You can also refill it. So, if you happen to drink all of the lemon water out, you can feel free to just add more water on top and keep it in the refrigerator, and it lasts a couple days. I don't like it after about 5 days to 7 days. So the quicker you drink it, the better and the fresher it will be. And thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Make sure to comment, hit that subscribe button, and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next video.